Good morning, everybody. I'm Allison Rugg, the Public Information Coordinator here on St. Mark Road, where crews are working to repair a damaged fire hydrant. It was damaged from a car wreck overnight, and I just wanted to pop on and show you what our crews are dealing with. And if you live in the St. Mark Road area, we're asking you to avoid the area near Lincoln Drive and St. Mark Road while our crews do continue to work. Flipping around here, you can see that we do have flaggers there in the area blocking off this section of road. Our crews have been out here since about 2 o'clock this morning, where a driver hit one of our fire hydrants. Crews are working to make those repairs now, but I did want to let you know that it is impacting a lot of customers in this particular area. We've put the list of roads on GreerCPW.com at the very top of our webpage, as well as a post on Facebook. Boil water advisories happen when there is a drop in the water pressure, and as you can see, we've had to turn the water off to isolate this section to make the repairs. So when there's a drop in water pressure, we ask that you boil your water for at least 1 minute before drinking or cooking to make sure that there isn't any bacteria in the line. We do this really out of an abundance of caution. So that boil water advisory is going to go into effect once these guys make the repairs, once we can flush the lines and take samples and get them over to our lab. So if you do live in this area, please talk to your neighbors that may not have social media or the web page. Let them know that their house is impacted because of this boil water advisory. And also, please update your contact number with us. We placed a robocall this morning to customers' numbers that we have on file, letting them know of this boil water advisory. Our number to do that is 864-848-5501, option 5. And you'll need your 9-digit account number, and you can update your contact number with us. This is extremely helpful if we have to call you for a boil water advisory or a gas leak or a planned power outage. It's just extremely helpful and a great way for us to get in contact with you. But I'm going to walk in a little bit closer and show you. Here's the damaged fire hydrant that the guys have already pulled out. We got 3 of our guys here working on making the repair now. So guys are working as fast as they can to make the repair, and we'll get you back up with service just as soon as we can. Do hope that you guys continue to have a great and safe Thanksgiving holiday. We'll be here if you need us.